Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you 3 methods to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. If someone sent you a message and then deleted it, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of retrieving those deleted messages. Method 1 is specifically for Android users. Go to your phone settings app and navigate to notification. Look for the WhatsApp app and the list of recent notifications. You should see 2 notifications for the same messages. The first one will display the original message, while the second wall will say this message was deleted. By accessing the first notification, you can see the deleted message. If you are not an Android user or the first method didn't work for you, don't worry, there are 2 more methods you can try. Method 2 involves accessing WhatsApp directly. Open the WhatsApp app and go to the chat tabs. From there, navigate to the settings page. Look for the chat options and tap on it. Within the chat settings, find the chat backup options. Enable the auto backup feature and set it to daily. This way, WhatsApp will save your chats to iCloud or Google Drive. By doing this, if someone sends you a message and delete it before the next backup, you'll still be able to retrieve the deleted messages. Method 3 involves using third-party apps available on the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp history or notification history apps. These apps save your WhatsApp messages or notification even if they are deleted. You can choose any apps that suits your needs. One popular option is backup messages for WhatsApp. These apps will ensure you always have a record of your messages, including deleted ones. Remember, the first method works on both Android and iOS devices, and it provides the most reliable way to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. I hope you found this method helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to assist you. See you next time.